Hello dear, Assalamu alaikum. We have three types of sentence. My friends, sentence you are know the composing shape form of words, subject, object, helping verb. Every sentence has three types. Every sentence. Then tense also has three types. Every tense: past, future, present. Then three types: positive, negative, interrogative. Similarly, every sentence has three types, three forms: positive sentences, negative sentences, interrogative sentences. PNI. दोस्तों, हर जुमला चाहे वो तीन ज़माने हो या बगैर ज़माने के, उसकी तीन शक्लें होती हैं। PNI हम इसको बोलती PNI। P का माना है पॉजिटिव, N का माना है नेगेटिव, मतलब I का मतलब क्या है, इंट्रागेटिव। तो ये तीन फॉर्म जो है ज़रूरी है। जब आपसे कोई पूछे कि PNI का क्या मतलब है, तो आपने बताना है कि every tense and every sentence has three types, three forms, three shapes: positive, negative, interrogative. Then present indefinite tense has formula in the form of positive sentence: first subject, second first form, third verb, subject plus first form of verb, third object if need the object. Like you say, he eat apple. In negative shape, first subject, then do not or does not, does not. Third, first form of verb, then object. Does not, do not, second thing. Interrogative sentences shape: in the start of sentence you will write do. This is for interrogative, for question. Do, does, do, does. Then subject, then first form of verb, then object.